70 actions around the pilot. Each propellant handling and stable cruise interiors and practical layouts for air taxi services. Their pure variant is rated. The integration of hydrogen propulsion. The Bravada Atlas V is a luxury yacht series designed primarily for calm freshwater environments such as rivers and lakes. These vessels emphasize spacious interiors and practical layouts rather than open ocean performance. Depending on the model, the Atlas V can include features such as multiple living areas, 2 kitchens, and up to 5 cabins for guests and crew. Some versions also offer recreational additions like a large waterslide and expansive deck space designed for relaxation. Interior living space can reach around 3,200 square feet, giving the yacht a layout closer to a floating residence than a traditional performance boat. The series is available in several configurations. Examples include a 60-foot tri-deck model, a larger single-deck version approaching 90 feet, and heavier models that may support optional features such as a helipad. Prices vary widely depending on size and customization. Entry models start around $395,000, while larger, more specialized builds can approach $2 million. The Bluefield C310 is a compact residential houseboat designed for people who want a functional living space on the water. It offers around 310 square feet of interior area and can be configured with either 1 or 2 bedrooms, depending on the owner's needs. Inside, the layout follows an open-plan design that combines the living room, kitchen, and dining area into a single space. The kitchen includes built-in appliances and practical storage. The bathroom features a walk-in shower and standard residential fittings. The boat also includes front and rear balconies, providing outdoor space for relaxing, fishing, or simply enjoying the surrounding water views. These areas expand the usable space and allow for fresh air and natural light. Construction focuses on durability, using metal cladding and composite decking to handle outdoor conditions while maintaining a modern appearance. The Bluefield C310 is typically priced around $191,200. Depending on availability and customization choices, delivery times generally range from 4 to 6 months. Buran Armored Vehicle. The Buran Armored Vehicle is produced by a Russian company that specializes in retrofitting civilian sedans and off-road vehicles with ballistic protection. The Buran is built on the chassis of the GAZ 3308 military truck and is designed for use in security, transport, and specialized operations. It is available in several configurations, including pickup, ambulance, crew transport, and cargo carrier versions. The vehicle offers STANAG Level 1 and Level 2 ballistic protection. According to available specifications, it is designed to withstand blast forces equivalent to up to 6 kilograms of TNT. Power comes from a 4.4-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine producing approximately 200 horsepower and 670 Newton-meters of torque. The drivetrain includes a 5-speed manual transmission, a transfer case, and a full-time all-wheel drive system to support operation in off-road and difficult terrain conditions. The Buran is equipped with dual fuel tanks totaling 295 liters, providing an operational range of at least 900 kilometers under standard conditions. Depending on configuration, the vehicle measures approximately 5.81 to 6.28 meters in length, 2.26 meters in width, and 2.35 meters in height. Its weight can reach up to 9.1 metric tons, depending on armor level and equipment. The manufacturer does not publicly list pricing. However, armored vehicles in similar categories typically command high costs due to specialized materials, engineering, and certification requirements. Blackfly is a compact electric aircraft designed for vertical takeoff and landing. Instead of using a runway, it can lift straight up and descend vertically, similar to a helicopter. The aircraft is part of a growing category known as electric VTOL, which focuses on short-distance personal flight. The structure is lightweight and built for a single occupant. Multiple electric motors provide lift and forward movement, while onboard software assists with stability and flight control. This design reduces mechanical complexity compared to traditional aircraft. One notable aspect of Blackfly is its regulatory classification in some regions as an ultralight aircraft. Because of this category, formal pilot licensing requirements may differ from those of standard airplanes, although operators still need proper training and must follow aviation rules. Safety systems include redundant components and a ballistic parachute that can deploy in emergencies. Electric propulsion also produces less noise than many conventional aircraft engines. Overall, Blackfly represents an experimental approach to personal air mobility using electric power and vertical flight capability. Boom XB-1 is a 1/3 scale demonstrator developed by Boom Supersonic to test technologies intended for the commercial supersonic airliner concept known as Overture. In 2025, the demonstrator completed supersonic flight, reaching Mach 1.122 at an altitude above 35,000 feet, marking the first instance of a privately developed civil aircraft achieving sustained supersonic speeds. The aircraft is powered by 3 turbojet engines supplied by General Electric and incorporates composite materials to reduce weight and improve aerodynamic efficiency. Its flight testing focuses on validating aerodynamic performance and techniques for mitigating the ground-level impact of sonic booms by redirecting shockwaves. Data collected from the program supports research and development efforts related to future supersonic passenger aviation. Can-Am Canyon. The 2025 Can-Am Canyon is a 3-wheel touring motorcycle designed for mixed on-road and light off-road travel. It uses a 1,330cc Rotax inline-3 engine that produces about 115 horsepower and roughly 130 Nm of torque. Power is delivered through a 6-speed semi-automatic transmission that also includes a reverse gear, making low-speed maneuvering easier. The vehicle is equipped with electronic throttle control and a stability management system that offers several riding modes, including normal, sport, all-road, and rally. These modes adjust traction and throttle response to suit different surfaces and riding styles. Its suspension setup uses AA arms at the front with long travel shocks, while the rear features a swing arm with additional travel to handle uneven terrain. Braking is managed by Brembo 4-piston front calipers paired with 270mm discs. A 10.25-inch touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and provides vehicle information. Additional features include an adjustable windshield, integrated storage options, and dynamic power steering designed to improve handling and rider comfort. Swedish company Candela has introduced the P12, an electric passenger ferry that uses hydrofoil technology to reduce drag and energy consumption. The vessel is designed to lift above the water on 3 carbon fiber wings once it reaches takeoff speed, allowing it to travel more efficiently than conventional boats. The ferry is powered by 2 C-Pod electric drive units. During testing, the P12 prototype reached its maximum speed of about 30 knots, accelerating from a takeoff speed of around 16 knots. A sensor-based control system automatically adjusts the hydrofoil angles to maintain balance and provide a smoother ride in changing water conditions. The vessel measures 11.99 meters in length with a beam of 4.5 meters. The shuttle configuration can carry up to 30 seated passengers and includes an automatic bow ramp designed to align with different dock heights. Space is also available for bicycles, strollers, and wheelchairs. Candela has started series production, and the ferry is expected to enter Stockholm's public transport network to improve travel times on certain routes. Candy Trail King E1500. The Candy Trail King E1500 is an electric minibike designed for short recreational rides and light off-road use. Its compact frame and simple electric drivetrain make it suitable for neighborhood paths, trails, and open spaces where small electric vehicles are allowed. The bike features a durable frame finished in silver and powered by a quiet electric motor. Because it runs on electricity rather than gasoline, it produces minimal noise and no direct exhaust emissions during operation. Riders recharge the battery through a standard charging connection, making it relatively easy to use between rides. For comfort and control, the Trail King E1500 includes a suspension system that helps absorb bumps on uneven surfaces. Disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, which is important when riding on trails or paved paths. This minibike is generally intended for riders aged 16 and older. In the United States, it is typically listed at a price close to $999, positioning it as an entry-level electric minibike for casual recreational riding. Dutch Cat 12 Houseboat. The Dutch Cat 12 is a modern houseboat designed to combine residential comfort with practical marine engineering. The vessel measures 12.55 meters in length and has a beam of 4.90 meters, providing a stable platform and a spacious interior layout suitable for extended stays on the water. Inside, the boat includes 2 separate cabins designed to host guests, offering sleeping space for up to 4 people. The living area features a central saloon with large windows that provide wide views of the surrounding water and allow natural light to enter the space. The houseboat is equipped with 2 bathrooms, each fitted with rain-style showers. A fully equipped kitchen includes standard appliances for preparing meals during longer trips or while docked. Propulsion is handled by a hybrid system that combines diesel and electric power. This setup allows the vessel to operate quietly in electric mode while maintaining the range and reliability of a diesel engine. The Dutch Cat 12 is priced at approximately €299,000. Product name: Jetpack Aviation Speeder. The Speeder, developed by Jetpack Aviation, is a groundbreaking engineering achievement with the potential to revolutionize personal transportation. Recognized as the world's first flying motorcycle, this futuristic, motorcycle-inspired vehicle delivers extraordinary performance powered by 8 compact jet engines. With an exceptional size-to-payload ratio, the Speeder weighs approximately 300 pounds yet can carry up to 600 pounds of cargo, an impressive feat of design and efficiency. Currently undergoing rigorous testing, the aircraft is expected to receive FAA certification in the near future. It is not just a concept or vision of tomorrow, but a fully operational prototype demonstrating real-world capability. Its performance is nothing short of astonishing. The civilian version can cruise at 60 miles per hour for nearly 30 minutes, while a military-grade unmanned variant can reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour at an altitude of 100 feet, making it significantly less vulnerable to ground fire. With a starting price of $381,000, this remarkable innovation is now available for pre-order directly through Jetpack Aviation. The Hexa aircraft is an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle developed by Lift Aircraft. It is designed as a single-seat ultralight aircraft intended for personal flight without requiring a traditional pilot's license under certain regulatory categories. The aircraft uses 18 independent electric motors arranged in 6 evenly spaced sections around the pilot. Each propeller is controlled by adjusting individual motor speeds, allowing the system to manage lift, balance, and directional movement electronically. This distributed propulsion design also creates an open structure around the cockpit, providing the occupant with wide, unobstructed visibility. Hexa is built with amphibious capability, enabling it to take off and land on both solid ground and calm water surfaces. Flight control is managed through a simplified interface that includes a single joystick supported by a triple redundant flight computer system. The onboard system assists with stabilization and core flight functions, reducing pilot workload. On a full battery charge, the aircraft can operate for approximately 15 minutes, with an estimated range of about 40 miles, 64 kilometers, depending on flight conditions and usage. The hydrogen-powered chase boats developed for the 37th America's Cup represent a practical step toward lower-emission marine support vessels. Built to accompany high-performance racing yachts, these boats use hydrogen fuel cells to generate onboard electricity. The system produces electrical power through an electrochemical reaction, emitting only water vapor at the point of use. In addition to their alternative power source, the vessels incorporate hydrofoil technology. As speed increases, underwater foils lift the hull partially above the surface, reducing drag and improving overall efficiency. This design supports stable handling while maintaining the speed required to follow competitive racing yachts. The integration of hydrogen propulsion with advanced hull dynamics reflects a broader shift within marine engineering toward reduced environmental impact. Rather than relying solely on conventional combustion engines, these support boats demonstrate how emerging energy systems can function in demanding maritime environments, including elite international sailing competitions. The trackless Snow Lion icebreaker is a tractor-mounted attachment designed to mechanically fracture compacted ice on sidewalks and pedestrian surfaces. Its operation relies on a direct mechanical drive system. Power is transferred through the tractor's forward movement, eliminating the need for hydraulic connections or auxiliary power shafts. This simplifies installation and reduces setup time. The attachment features 2 cutting sections arranged in sequence. Each section measures 47 inches in width, allowing the surface to be processed twice in a single pass. Together, the system ensures consistent coverage and improved ice fragmentation. Each cutting section contains 4 pairs of cutter wheels, totaling 16 wheels across the machine. Every wheel measures 10 inches in diameter and is equipped with 15 hardened steel knives. Rather than scraping the ice, these knives deliver repeated impacts, breaking the surface into smaller fragments. This striking action is particularly effective on compacted or layered ice. Each cutter wheel is mounted on an independent, spring-supported arm. This design allows vertical movement, enabling the wheels to adapt to uneven terrain. Sidewalks, ramps, driveway crossings, and sloped walkways often develop irregular ice layers due to foot traffic, melting, refreezing, and water runoff. The independent suspension ensures consistent contact with these varied surfaces. The attachment is compatible with municipal tractors, including trackless models. Because it does not require hydraulic hoses or additional drive components, mounting is straightforward. An adjustable support leg assists with alignment during installation, while removable weights allow operators to modify balance based on working conditions or transport requirements. Inland LNG carrier. Liquefied natural gas carriers are specialized ships designed to transport LNG safely across long distances. These vessels move natural gas that has been cooled to approximately -162 degrees Celsius, a temperature that turns the gas into liquid and reduces its volume, making large-scale transport possible. Modern LNG carriers are among the largest ships in commercial shipping. Some can reach lengths comparable to 3 football fields and carry up to about 267,000 cubic meters of LNG. Their storage tanks are heavily insulated to maintain extremely low temperatures and prevent the cargo from warming during the journey. The construction of LNG carriers requires advanced engineering and is handled by a limited number of specialized shipyards. These vessels use complex containment systems and reliable propulsion technologies designed to support long ocean voyages. Safety and efficiency are central to their design. From liquefaction terminals to receiving ports, LNG carriers form an important link in the global natural gas supply chain, enabling energy resources to move between regions that produce gas and those that consume it. Jetoptera J2000. The Jetoptera J2000 is a conceptual vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft designed for urban mobility and regional travel. Developed by Jetoptera, the aircraft is positioned as a compact air vehicle capable of operating without traditional runways. The J2000 is designed to take off and land vertically, allowing it to operate in confined spaces. Its projected top speed is around 200 miles per hour, with an estimated range of approximately 200 miles. These specifications suggest potential use cases such as short regional transport or air taxi services. A key feature of the J2000 is its fluidic propulsion system, FPS, which differs from conventional propeller-based designs. Instead of exposed rotors, the system uses compressed air directed through specially shaped channels to generate thrust. This approach is inspired by fluidic amplification principles, similar in concept to bladeless fan technology. The aircraft incorporates 4 circular, hoop-like thrusters, 2 positioned toward the front and 2 at the rear. During vertical operations, the thrusters provide lift. In forward flight, the rear units contribute to propulsion, while the design aims to streamline airflow around the body. The enclosed configuration is intended to reduce external moving parts, which may influence noise levels, safety considerations, and aerodynamic efficiency. As a VTOL concept, the J2000 represents an alternative approach to electric rotor-based air taxis and tilt rotor systems. Its development reflects ongoing experimentation in urban air mobility, where manufacturers are exploring different propulsion methods to improve performance, efficiency, and operational flexibility. Lamborghini V12 Vision Gran Turismo. Lamborghini introduced the V12 Vision Gran Turismo as a single-seat concept developed for the Gran Turismo racing game series. The vehicle combines experimental design with the hybrid powertrain used in the limited production Lamborghini Sián. The exterior presents an aggressive, futuristic form. The body structure appears visually separated from the wheel arches, emphasizing a lightweight, exposed frame aesthetic. The driver accesses the cockpit from the front through a forward-opening canopy. The layout centers entirely around one seat, reinforcing its focus on a virtual racing environment rather than conventional road use. At the rear, the car features 6 exhaust outlets integrated into a sharply sculpted diffuser area. A narrow, full-width tail light spans the back of the vehicle and visually connects with a large rear wing, contributing to both aerodynamic function and distinctive styling. The overall lighting signature and sharp surfacing reflect design themes explored in earlier Lamborghini concept studies. Power comes from a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine paired with a hybrid system that incorporates a supercapacitor for energy storage. This configuration, shared with the Lamborghini Chiron, delivers a combined output of approximately 774 horsepower. The use of a supercapacitor instead of a traditional lithium-ion battery allows for rapid energy discharge and recharge cycles. The V12 Vision Gran Turismo was unveiled in 2019 in connection with the FIA-certified Gran Turismo Championships, serving as a digital showcase of Lamborghini's design direction and hybrid performance technology. The Lazzarini IFO is a conceptual electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by the Lazzarini Design Studio and designed by Pier Paolo Lazzarini. The aircraft features a central carbon fiber capsule measuring approximately 6.6 feet in diameter, enclosed within a larger carbon fiber disc about 15 feet 5 inches wide. Integrated into the disc are 8 electric motors that enable vertical lift and forward movement. The projected top speed is around 120 miles per hour, with an estimated flight time of 60 to 70 minutes. Its hybrid electric system is intended to balance performance and energy efficiency. Passenger access is supported by 6 extendable landing suspensions equipped with a lifting mechanism that lowers the spherical cabin for boarding. At prepared landing sites, removable bridge platforms can also be used. Visually, the design draws inspiration from classic UFO imagery, combining a circular silhouette with modern aerospace engineering principles. At present, the IFO remains a concept, with development dependent on investment and further technical validation. It reflects ongoing exploration into compact hybrid electric aircraft for future urban air mobility. The Movable Roots War Tiny Home is a 28-foot-long, 8.5-foot-wide mobile residence offering just over 300 square feet of interior space, including a loft. Built on a trailer platform, it is designed to balance compact living with practical functionality. The layout includes a lofted bedroom with adequate headroom and integrated storage. The kitchen is arranged in an L shape, providing expanded counter space with quartz surfaces and custom-built cabinetry for efficient organization. The main living area accommodates a standard couch, a coffee table, and a television setup, creating a defined space for daily use. The bathroom includes a walk-in shower, a sink vanity, and a standard flush toilet. Overall, the design focuses on maximizing usable space within a compact footprint. It is suited for individuals or couples seeking a smaller living environment with essential residential features integrated into a mobile structure. The Lucid Air is a full-size luxury electric sedan produced by Lucid Motors. It is positioned in the premium EV segment and competes with other high-end electric sedans in performance, range, and interior quality. For the 2024 model year, the Lucid Air lineup starts at approximately $71,400 in the United States. The entry-level Air Pure variant is rated for an estimated driving range of up to 410 miles, depending on configuration and wheel size. This places it among the longest-range electric sedans currently available. The vehicle emphasizes efficiency and performance through a compact electric powertrain design. Lucid develops its own motors, inverters, and battery systems, focusing on high energy density and thermal management. Higher trims deliver rapid acceleration, with dual and tri-motor configurations available in upper variants. Inside, the Lucid Air features a minimalist layout with digital displays, premium materials, and advanced driver assistance systems. Cabin space benefits from a long wheelbase and a packaging layout enabled by the electric platform. Lucid's engineering background includes experience in electric racing series such as Formula E, which has influenced its approach to power electronics and battery efficiency. However, the Lucid Air itself is a conventional road vehicle and does not have vertical takeoff or flying capability. Separate from Lucid's sedan, various companies have developed electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) prototypes intended for limited aviation use. These aircraft are distinct from production electric cars and operate under aviation regulatory frameworks rather than standard road vehicle approvals. Heavy snowfall regions require equipment that can clear large volumes of snow efficiently and consistently. In northern areas such as Hokkaido, annual snowfall can reach extreme levels. Similar conditions are found in parts of Siberia and Alaska, where prolonged cold and steady moisture result in significant snow accumulation. In these environments, snow removal is a necessary part of maintaining transportation and operations. The Overossen UTV-175 is a heavy-duty snowblower attachment designed for high-capacity clearing. It creates a clearing path approximately 8 feet 9 inches wide and just over 4 feet high, allowing it to handle deep and compacted snow. At the front of the unit, a wide auger collects snow evenly across the intake width. The auger moves the snow toward the center of the machine, where a high-speed impeller accelerates it into the discharge system. This two-stage process ensures continuous material flow and reduces the risk of clogging, even when snow density varies. The system is capable of processing up to approximately 1,350 US tons of snow per hour under optimal conditions. Performance depends on factors such as snow type, moisture content, and operating speed. Operator control is a key aspect of the design. Snow can be discharged to either side or directed through a rotating chute. A triple flap outlet allows adjustment of the throw pattern and trajectory. In addition, the impeller housing can be angled up to 45 degrees to the left or 60 degrees to the right, enabling more precise snow placement along roads, runways, or confined areas. Overall, the UTV-175 is engineered to provide consistent snow removal performance in regions where winter conditions demand reliable, high-capacity equipment. The Manta AN-2 is a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for short-range regional transport and special mission use. It combines conventional fixed-wing flight with vertical lift capability, allowing it to operate from confined areas as well as short runways. The aircraft has a tandem two-seat configuration and is built primarily from carbon composite materials to reduce weight and improve structural efficiency. Its aerodynamic layout includes a V-tail and forward canard surfaces, intended to enhance stability and overall flight performance. Propulsion is provided by 8 electric ducted fans, 4 fixed and 4 tilting units. This arrangement supports both vertical takeoff and landing and conventional forward flight. The hybrid power system integrates onboard generators with battery storage, and it is designed to operate using sustainable aviation fuel for the combustion component. In cruise configuration, the aircraft is projected to reach speeds of up to 300 km per hour, with a maximum range of approximately 1,000 km under specified operating conditions. Flight control is managed through a fly-by-wire system, supported by a head-down display interface. For emergency scenarios, the aircraft is equipped with a ballistic parachute system intended to enhance occupant safety. The airframe is designed with modularity in mind, allowing relatively straightforward assembly, disassembly, and transport. This flexibility supports maintenance logistics and potential deployment to remote locations. The Manta AN-2 is positioned for applications such as medical evacuation, search and rescue operations, and short-distance regional mobility, where the ability to operate from limited infrastructure may offer operational advantages. Moonbikes is a fully electric snowbike designed as an alternative to traditional gasoline-powered snowmobiles. Developed and manufactured in the French Alps, it focuses on reducing noise and eliminating direct emissions while operating in snowy environments. The vehicle uses an electric propulsion system that delivers a top speed of approximately 26 miles per hour. An optional extended battery pack increases range for longer rides. Weighing around 192 pounds, the snowbike is significantly lighter than most conventional snowmobiles, which typically weigh several hundred pounds. Its lower weight contributes to easier handling, storage, and transport. The design emphasizes balance and stability. A low center of gravity and compact frame aim to provide controlled maneuvering over packed snow and moderate powder conditions. The riding experience is intended to feel closer to that of a lightweight motorcycle adapted for winter terrain rather than a large utility snowmobile. Moonbikes can be customized with a selection of accessories, and it is available in multiple color options. The product is positioned for recreational winter use, offering a quieter and more compact electric alternative within the snow transport category. The Romao prototype is a concept travel trailer designed to rethink how space is used in compact mobile living. It features a towable structure that transforms once parked, expanding into a larger living area through a motorized deployment system. The trailer's main structural element rotates outward from its outer shell after setup. This movement reveals a built-in deck that extends the usable floor area and creates a transition between interior and exterior space. The configuration supports indoor-outdoor living by integrating a patio area that can function as both a dining space and an outdoor kitchen. The setup process is designed to be automated, reducing the physical effort typically required when preparing a campsite. Materials and finishes focus on durability and comfort, combining a traditional aesthetic with contemporary construction techniques. Future production plans indicate a slightly longer body to improve storage capacity. Aside from that adjustment, the interior layout is intended to prioritize practical organization, efficient use of space, and residential-level comfort within a compact footprint. Overall, the Romao prototype presents a modular approach to caravanning, emphasizing spatial flexibility, automated deployment, and functional outdoor integration. The 2015 Princess 56 is a flybridge motor yacht designed to balance performance with onboard comfort. Built with a lightweight GRP hull, it delivers efficient handling and stable cruising in a range of sea conditions. Power comes from twin Volvo Penta diesel engines. The yacht is capable of reaching speeds of approximately 32 knots, with a comfortable cruising speed around 24 knots, depending on load and conditions. The hull design supports both performance and fuel efficiency for extended coastal passages. On board, the layout emphasizes functional living space. The flybridge provides an open social area suited for outdoor dining and relaxation. The main deck includes a bright saloon and a well-equipped galley positioned to serve both interior and exterior seating areas, making it practical for hosting guests. Below deck, the yacht features 3 cabins accommodating up to 6 guests. The full beam owner's cabin offers increased headroom and storage, while the forward VIP cabin and twin guest cabin provide additional sleeping space. 2 bathrooms serve the accommodation areas. Market pricing varies based on condition, engine hours, equipment specification, and location, but vessels of this model year typically trade in the multi-million-dollar range. Scorpion 3 Hoverbike. The Scorpion 3 is an electric hoverbike that merges elements of a traditional motorcycle with quadcopter flight technology. Structurally, it resembles a bike, but lift is generated by 4 rotors positioned around the frame, enabling vertical takeoff and landing. The vehicle is designed to carry a single rider with a maximum payload of 104 kilograms, or 229 pounds. It can reach speeds of up to 43 miles per hour. Operational range is approximately 13 miles under standard conditions. In flight, the Scorpion 3 can climb to an altitude of around 33 feet. Flight duration varies between 15 and 40 minutes, depending on rider weight and operating conditions. The battery system requires roughly 3 hours for a full recharge. A modular battery design allows for rapid swapping, which can reduce downtime to about 1 minute when a charged unit is available. Rather than being a conceptual prototype, the Scorpion 3 has undergone flight testing and is presented as a functional quadcopter-based personal transport platform.
Product name: Sea Breacher. The Sea Breacher is an innovative hybrid that blends the thrill of jet skiing with the excitement of mini-submarining. This semi-submersible watercraft is designed to transform the way we experience and explore the sea. Powered by a 4-stroke, 1,500cc supercharged Rotax Ace engine developed by Ace Productions, it can be tuned between 230 and 300 horsepower to deliver enhanced performance and exhilarating speed. Built for agility and excitement, this dynamic vessel is capable of performing impressive acrobatic maneuvers, including 360-degree barrel rolls. It can briefly dive to depths of 5 to 6 feet and even launch itself out of the water, creating a truly unforgettable ride. Its aerodynamic, streamlined body weighs approximately 1,450 pounds and measures between 190 and 200 inches in length, with a width of about 42 inches. Sea Breachers are available in a variety of models, each offering distinctive customization options. Popular examples include the Shark-inspired X model, the Orca-like Y model, and the Dolphin-inspired Z model. Prices start at around $85,000 and can exceed $100,000, depending on the selected specifications and custom features.
The Force's Tracker 800SX is a rugged side-by-side ATV designed for heavy-duty performance. It features an 8,812cc 3-cylinder engine that produces 50 feet lb of torque, providing strong and reliable power for a variety of terrains. Built with durability in mind, the 800SX includes a full-length skid plate and electronic power steering, allowing it to carry loads up to 1,000 pounds with stability and control. Its suspension system offers 10 inches of front travel, and the vehicle comes equipped with a tilting cargo bed with lift assist, 4WD, and an electronic locking differential for enhanced traction. The cabin is designed for comfort and utility, making it suitable for both work and recreational use. With its capability to handle snow, ice, and rugged trails, the Force's Tracker 800SX is a versatile choice for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Silent 120 Explorer is a 34-meter solar-powered luxury catamaran designed to combine long-range cruising with reduced fuel dependence. Its energy system includes a battery bank with around 800 kilowatt-hours of capacity and photovoltaic panels capable of producing up to 40 kilowatts at peak output. Under favorable conditions, the yacht can cruise at speeds of up to 14 knots using stored solar energy. Built with an ocean-going certification, the vessel is intended for extended voyages and stable operation in open water. The interior layout includes 6 guest staterooms, a spacious salon, a fully equipped kitchen, and a flybridge deck designed for relaxation and panoramic views. Additional onboard amenities may include features such as a small wellness area, entertainment spaces, and storage for water-based equipment. The yacht is designed to host up to 12 guests with accommodation for a crew of 6. Overall, the Silent 120 Explorer represents a modern approach to yacht design, focusing on renewable energy integration, long-range capability, and comfortable living space at sea. Storm MPV. The Storm MPV is an electric, amphibious armored vehicle developed through international collaboration. The project began with a Ukrainian engineering team that built an early prototype to demonstrate the platform's concept and capabilities. However, financial and production challenges limited their ability to scale manufacturing independently. To move the project forward, they partnered with Strike Group, an established armored vehicle manufacturer with global production experience. The Storm MPV integrates components sourced from multiple countries. Its armored protection system is supplied by a Finnish manufacturer, the suspension system is engineered in Australia to handle demanding terrain, and its battery units are sourced from China. This multinational supply chain reflects a design approach focused on combining specialized expertise rather than relying on a single production base. Designed as a multi-purpose platform, the Storm MPV operates as both a land vehicle and a watercraft. It is fully electric, reducing acoustic and thermal signatures compared to conventional combustion-powered armored vehicles. The vehicle also supports remote control operation, enabling unmanned deployment in certain scenarios. Performance specifications indicate a maximum road speed of up to 140 km per hour under optimal conditions. In amphibious mode, it is capable of operating in water with wave heights of up to 1.5 meters. The platform can carry a payload of approximately 3.5 tons, allowing it to transport personnel, equipment, or mission-specific systems. Overall, the Storm MPV represents a modern approach to armored vehicle design, combining electric propulsion, amphibious capability, and modular integration within a globally sourced production. The Tucker Snowcat is a purpose-built over snow vehicle designed for transportation and utility work in extreme winter conditions. Its defining feature is a 4-track system with articulated steering, which distributes weight across a wide surface area. This configuration improves traction and stability on deep snow while reducing ground pressure, allowing the vehicle to travel over soft or uneven terrain with minimal surface disturbance. The articulated design enables controlled maneuvering on slopes and in confined areas, making it suitable for operations where conventional wheeled vehicles cannot function reliably. Tucker manufactures the Snowcat in multiple configurations, ranging from compact 2-passenger models to larger variants capable of carrying up to 15 occupants, depending on layout and equipment. Common applications include snow trail grooming, agricultural support in snow-covered regions, and the transport of personnel, supplies, and equipment to remote locations during winter months. Specifications vary by model, but the entry-level 2000 extra light version is equipped with an engine producing approximately 130 horsepower. Pricing depends on configuration, selected features, and optional equipment. The base price for a new 2000 extra light model begins at around $125,000, with higher costs associated with additional customization and larger models. Product: Stratosphere Aquatica. The Stratosphere Aquatica is a compact, two-person transport concept built around a lightweight carbon fiber sphere measuring approximately 1.65 meters in diameter. Its design combines marine and aerial mobility within a single enclosed pod. In water mode, the sphere moves across the surface using an extendable hydrofoil system. The foil helps stabilize the craft, maintain balance, and manage weight distribution while keeping internal components cooled. A self-balancing control system continuously adjusts to changes in direction, aiming to deliver stable handling during turns and moderate speed travel. The vehicle can also transition into flight mode. In this configuration, it operates as a quadcopter-style aircraft powered by electric propulsion units rated at up to 150 horsepower each. The system is designed for vertical lift and forward motion, with projected speeds reaching up to 250 km per hour under optimal conditions. Solar panels are integrated to provide supplemental energy support, though primary propulsion relies on onboard battery systems. Access to the cabin is provided through a sliding glass rooftop entry, and the enclosed spherical structure is engineered for structural efficiency and aerodynamic performance. Overall, the Stratosphere Aquatica represents an experimental approach to multi-environment mobility, combining hydrofoil water travel with electric vertical flight in a compact, futuristic platform. The Tinga Proda is a body-on-frame all-terrain vehicle designed for off-road use in demanding environments. Its construction emphasizes durability and balanced weight distribution, contributing to stable handling across uneven terrain. Introduced in 2023 by a Russian manufacturer, the Tinga Proda is built for practical applications such as hunting, fishing, and fieldwork, including infrastructure inspections. With a ground clearance of 500 mm, it is engineered to navigate obstacles like rocks, mud, and snow more effectively than standard utility vehicles. The vehicle has a stated top speed of 50 km per hour, reflecting its focus on controlled off-road mobility rather than highway performance. The model has drawn interest beyond its domestic market, including attention from Australia. With a listed price of $660,000, it targets buyers seeking a specialized off-road platform for professional or recreational use. Overall, the Tinga Proda positions itself as a purpose-built solution for users who require dependable performance in challenging terrain. Product name: W Pyramid Floating Villa. The W Pyramid is a floating villa featuring an underwater bedroom, combining eco-friendly innovation with a bold, futuristic design. It is part of the Heart of Europe, a luxury tourism development based in Dubai. This extraordinary villa spans 3 levels: the submarine deck, the sea deck, and the sky deck. The sky deck offers the perfect setting for outdoor dining, complete with a sun lounge and a jacuzzi for ultimate relaxation. On the sea deck, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen, a spacious living area, and a staircase that leads directly down to the water. The submarine deck is where the experience becomes truly unforgettable. It includes 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, all surrounded by panoramic windows that provide breathtaking views of marine life and vibrant coral reefs. For anyone seeking the ultimate underwater living experience, the W Pyramid offers an unparalleled stay. Prices vary depending on the model and selected features, but on average, a W Pyramid home costs approximately $4.7 million. That is why the W Pyramid goes beyond being just a residence. It represents a remarkable fusion of luxury, innovation, and immersive ocean living.